Gang and new and non-gang members, welcome aboard. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you get the truth. Okay, so I want to show you something that's interesting. They're telling everybody now the bottom is in the market. That because gasoline prices are down, that Biden's policies have worked, and oil's down because of Biden's policies, and that things are better, and inflation is now contracting. None of that's true. His policies didn't do a damn thing. His policies is the reason why gasoline prices are going down. I'll agree with that. Why? Because it's his policies that gave us 40-year high inflation. It's that 40-year high inflation that has caused people to conserve. 4 or 5 people are getting together and driving to work together. People are conserving. People can't buy more expensive food, more expensive gasoline, and now they're raising rates at the banks on their car loans and personal loans. They can't afford it. So they're cutting all the way back on buying any kind of goods. They're cutting back on clothing. They're cutting back on gasoline, oils, and everything. That's the real reason why oil's going down, because of his stupid policies. So, but let me show you something. It's very important. I hope, please, during this, hit subscribe, like, and share. That's all you need to know. If you go back and look in 2008 on Enron, okay, I'm sorry, 2000, I keep saying 2008, 2001, Enron. When Enron collapsed, and you notice, see this where this white line is? That's the 200-day moving average. And that's the 50-day moving average. All you want to know if you're going to buy a stock is how strong is the trend. You don't care about the bottom, if the bottom's in or not. What is the trend of the stock? So when you have this setup where you got 200-day, 50-day, that's a very bad trend. It's telling you that trend is going to get worse, that it's unsustainable. If you look over here on this side, it's the opposite. You got the 200-day and the 50-day. When you got the 200-day and 50-day, and you got 70% of the 500 stocks, S&P 500, above the moving average, the 200-day moving average, this is sustainable, very sustainable. That means you got a great trend, very bullish trend. You don't care about the bottom. Who cares about the bottom? So what the institutions do, the big investment bankers, J.P. Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Citi, they take care of their biggest clients first. They take care of the hedge funds. They take care of the insurance companies. They make them rich. To do that, they need you. When a market is going down and collapsing, they need you. They use you to help push the market up long enough so they can get their clients out. Boom. And that's what they're doing right now. The same thing in Enron back then, they're doing in the tech stocks. Look right here. See Microsoft? Same exact pattern. See it? Here, I'll stretch this out for you so you can see it a little bit better. Here's our 200-day moving average. I'll pop it up here for you so you can see it right there. There's the 200-day moving. See how it's going down? There's the 200-day moving average over here going down. And here's your 50-day moving average over here going down. Here's your 50-day moving average over here going down. So you got the same setup. Now now let's take all the tech stocks, put them together. The Qs, right here. There's the Qs. Same thing, see it? Same pattern. So you got the same pattern as Enron, exactly, and people are buying into it, buying these stocks, so they tell you, hey, buy the Qs, buy Microsoft, buy NVIDIA, buy into it. Sure, buy them short term as we done. We bought stocks. We got 5 or 6 nice stocks, but we're buying these little rallies, and then we turn around and sell them short. Because we realize this trend, just like Enron, is going to get worse and worse. And this trend over here, same thing, it's going to get worse and worse. So always understand, before you buy a stock, The bottom is not important. What's important is how bullish is my trend. If your trend has the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average is over it, and 70% of the S&P 500 stocks are above the 200-day moving average, you're going to have a great upward trend. If not like this, you're going to be a sucker for the big hedge investment banks who are taking care of their people. They're using you, and you're going to lose money. And that's exactly what we got here. Same exact thing going on right now. I don't care which stock you put up, okay? It's going to look the same. If you take a tech stock, take NVIDIA, same pattern. Look at that. Same pattern. Same pattern. You're going to get killed. So don't believe them. Trade them like we do. Swing trades up and then swing trade back down. Swing trade up, then swing trade back down. This is not when you invest. You invest on this side. See the difference? Okay. Hope you liked this. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this saves you money. Try my gang free for 10 days. That's all. 10 days. It's free. You'll learn a lot. If you don't stay with me after 10 days, you'll learn how the market works. See you on the charts.